Welcome to our journey through the solar system. We find ourselves perched on this tiny planet, this pale blue dot, our only home. But have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, what would it be like to stand on the surface of another world? Today, we'll explore how long you could survive on each planet. Fasten your seatbelts, and prepare for an exhilarating ride through the cosmos, as we push the boundaries of human imagination and explore the ultimate question of survival beyond Earth. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a world of extremes. This small rocky planet, slightly larger than our Moon, endures some of the harshest conditions in our solar system. Its proximity to the Sun means it experiences intense solar radiation and extreme temperatures that vary drastically between day and night. Imagine a place where the Sun blazes with unrelenting fury, scorching the surface to temperatures that would melt lead. During the day, temperatures can soar up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest places in our solar system. The Sun's relentless heat is a constant reminder of the raw power of our star. The lack of a substantial atmosphere offers no protection from the Sun's intense radiation, or the vast swings in temperature between day and night. At night, temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. This dramatic temperature swing is due to Mercury's thin exosphere, which is unable to retain heat. Standing on the sun-baked surface of Mercury, you would meet your demise in a matter of minutes. The searing heat would cook you alive, while the lack of breathable air would leave you gasping for your final breath. The planet's surface is a hostile environment, with no water or air to sustain life as we know it. The searing heat would cook you alive, while the lack of breathable air would leave you gasping for your final breath. The extreme conditions on Mercury make it an inhospitable place for humans. Even the most advanced technology would struggle to protect us from the planet's harsh environment. Mercury serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. Our planet's atmosphere acts as a shield, protecting us from the Sun's harmful radiation and maintaining a stable climate. The extreme conditions on Mercury highlight the importance of this balance and the unique conditions that allow life to thrive on Earth. Venus, often called Earth's twin, is a cautionary tale of a planet gone wrong. Its thick atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature soars to an astounding 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But the heat is only part of the problem. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being 3,000 feet beneath the ocean's surface. Stepping onto Venus would be like stepping into a pressure cooker from hell. You would be simultaneously crushed and incinerated in an instant. Ah, Earth, our home, our oasis in the vast cosmic desert, our planet is a miracle, a rare and precious jewel where life has flourished for billions of years. The Earth provides everything we need to survive: breathable air, a temperate climate, and liquid water. It's the only known planet in the universe where life is confirmed to exist, and it's our responsibility to cherish and protect this fragile paradise. Let us never take for granted the delicate balance of conditions that makes life on Earth possible. Mars, the red planet, has long captured our imaginations as a potential second home for humanity. From ancient civilizations that named it after their gods of war to modern-day scientists who dream of colonizing it, Mars has always been a source of fascination. Its striking red color, caused by iron oxide or rust on its surface, makes it stand out in our night sky, a beacon of mystery and possibility. But don't let the reddish hue fool you. Mars is a harsh and unforgiving world. The planet is home to some of the most extreme weather conditions in our solar system. Dust storms can engulf the entire planet, lasting for months and blocking out the sun. These storms can be so intense that they can be seen from Earth with the naked eye. Its thin atmosphere, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from the sun's radiation or the bitter cold. Unlike Earth, Mars lacks a magnetic field to shield it from cosmic and solar radiation, making the surface a dangerous place for unprotected humans. The atmosphere is less than 1% the density of Earth's, which means it can't retain heat, leading to drastic temperature fluctuations. Temperatures on Mars can plummet to minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing you solid in an instant. The polar ice caps, made of water and dry ice, expand and contract with the seasons, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. During the Martian winter, the poles can reach temperatures so low that carbon dioxide freezes out of the atmosphere, adding to the ice caps. Without a pressurized suit and supplemental oxygen, you wouldn't last more than a few minutes on the Martian surface. The low atmospheric pressure would cause your blood to boil at body temperature, a phenomenon known as ebulism. This makes the development of advanced life support systems crucial for any future manned missions to Mars. Rovers and landers have already paved the way, providing invaluable data and insights. But hope springs eternal, and perhaps one day, with ingenuity and determination, we can transform this cold, arid planet into a second home for humankind. Scientists and engineers are already working on technologies like terraforming, which could one day make Mars more Earth-like. Concepts such as creating artificial magnetic fields, building sustainable habitats, and generating oxygen from the Martian atmosphere are all being explored. The dream of making Mars a new frontier for humanity is not just science fiction, it's a goal that drives us to push the boundaries of what's possible. Jupiter, the king of our solar system, is a gas giant of unimaginable scale. Its swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium conceal a chaotic and turbulent atmosphere. As you descend into Jupiter's depths, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. Soon you would be crushed and vaporized by the intense forces at play. Jupiter lacks a solid surface, so you would fall endlessly into its depths, eventually reaching a point where the pressure is so great that hydrogen atoms are squeezed together, forming a bizarre metallic sea. Survival on Jupiter is simply not an option. Saturn, a ringed wonder. Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system, is a gas giant much like Jupiter. Its stunning rings, composed of countless ice and rock particles, are a testament to the beauty and grandeur of the cosmos. But beneath its mesmerizing exterior lies a planet just as inhospitable as Jupiter. Saturn's atmosphere is a turbulent mix of hydrogen and helium, with winds raging at speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. The pressure and temperature increase dramatically as you descend, eventually reaching levels that would crush and vaporize you. Like Jupiter, Saturn offers no hope of survival. Uranus, an ice giant's fury. Uranus, the ice giant, is a world of frigid temperatures and howling winds. Its atmosphere, composed mostly of hydrogen, helium and methane, is one of the coldest in our solar system, with temperatures plummeting to minus 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds on Uranus are no less forgiving, reaching speeds of over 500 miles per hour. These winds, combined with the extreme cold, would make survival on Uranus impossible. You would be frozen solid and blown to smithereens in an instant. Neptune, the blue giant's wrath. Neptune, the outermost planet in our solar system, is a world of deep blue hues and raging storms. This distant giant, named after the Roman god of the sea, is a mesmerizing yet hostile environment. Its deep blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. But don't let its serene appearance fool you. Neptune is a planet of extremes. Like Uranus, it is an ice giant with an atmosphere composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. These elements create a thick, icy layer that envelops the planet, giving it a unique composition compared to the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. The methane in Neptune's atmosphere not only gives it its striking blue color, but also contributes to its dynamic weather patterns. Temperatures on Neptune can drop to a bone-chilling minus 392 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the coldest planet in our solar system. This extreme cold is due to its great distance from the Sun, which means it receives very little solar energy. Despite this, Neptune has an internal heat source that contributes to its active weather systems. The winds on Neptune are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. These supersonic winds are driven by the planet's internal heat and its rapid rotation. The storms on Neptune can be massive, with some spanning thousands of miles across, making it a planet of perpetual turbulence. These winds, combined with the extreme cold and lack of a solid surface, make Neptune another planet where survival is out of the question. The planet's atmosphere is a swirling mix of gases and ices, with no solid ground to stand on. This makes Neptune an inhospitable world, fascinating to study but impossible to visit. Its extreme conditions continue to intrigue scientists and astronomers, who seek to understand more about this distant blue giant. Safe travels. Thanks for joining us on this interplanetary adventure. We've explored the vastness of our solar system and contemplated the fragility of life in the face of such extreme environments. While only Earth offers the perfect conditions for our existence, the human spirit yearns to explore beyond the familiar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Keep looking up, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos.